In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Vimeo profile URL. First, open your web browser and head to vimeo.com. Sign into your account so you can access all of your settings. Being logged in ensures you can see the profile options we're about to use, and it's easiest to follow along on a desktop browser. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile picture or initial. Click it to open the account menu, then choose Settings. Inside Settings, select the Profile tab, scroll down the page until you find the field labeled Vimeo URL. This is the address people will use to get to your profile, sometimes called a custom URL or vanity link, so it's worth choosing something that looks clean and professional. Click into that field and type the new ending you want. Keep it short, clear, and easy to remember. Stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens, and avoid spaces or special characters. If your first choice is already taken, try a simple variation that still represents you or your brand. Matching your URL to your display name, company name, or creator handle is a great way to stay consistent across platforms. After you make your change, look for the option to save or confirm the update and click it. Vimeo will check availability and apply it right away if it's free. If you don't see the Vimeo URL field or the Save button, switch to a desktop browser or refresh the page. The web version makes this process straightforward and easy to find. That's it. You're done. To confirm everything worked, copy the new link shown next to the Vimeo URL field and paste it into a new browser tab. Your profile should load with the updated address. From here, share that new link on your website, social profiles, email signature, and anywhere else you promote your work so visitors land on the right page. If you've posted the old link in important places, remember to update those because the previous address may no longer point to your profile. If you collaborate with others, let your team know about the change so they can update embeds and references. And if you manage more than one Vimeo account, repeat the same process on each one to keep your links consistent. To quickly recap, go to Vimeo, open your profile menu, head into Settings, choose Profile, scroll to Vimeo URL, edit it, and save. Thanks for watching. You now have a clean, memorable Vimeo link that's easy to share.